The cabin air filter in the Jeep Cherokee is located under the glove box, on the passenger side footwell. First, pull back this panel. You'll find the filter in a deep, inner position. Once you locate the cabin air filter, remove the housing cover. Then, remove the old filter and clean up any debris left inside the cabin. The housing cover will show the correct airflow direction. When installing the new filter, make sure the yellow layer faces you. As you insert the new filter, rotate it 90 degrees, push it halfway in, and then rotate it back to its original position. After that, simply reinstall the housing cover and snap the panel back into place. That's it. Super easy. Shop the cabin air filter for your car today at Freshen Out.